In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Analytics data. Whether you need a quick snapshot for a presentation or a raw file for deeper analysis, exporting the right report only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your Google Analytics account and signing in. This brings you to the Analytics interface where your property data lives. From here, look to the left-hand side navigation and click Reports. The Reports workspace is where Google Analytics organizes all your standard reporting, so it's the natural place to begin when you're preparing something to export. Within Reports, select Acquisition. Acquisition tells you how people are discovering your site or app through search, social, paid campaigns, or other channels, so it's one of the most useful sections to share with teammates and stakeholders. Once you're in Acquisition, click Traffic Acquisition. This specific view focuses on sessions and users by channel, source, and medium, and it's designed to answer the question, where is my traffic coming from? With the Traffic Acquisition report open, move your attention to the upper right area of the page and click the Share icon. Depending on your screen size or theme, this icon typically looks like an arrow exiting a box. It's your gateway to getting the current report out of Analytics and into a file you can store, send, or analyze elsewhere. In the Share menu, click Download File. This option prepares the report you're viewing for export using the current layout and visible data. After you choose Download File, you'll be prompted to select a format. Pick the format that best suits your needs. For most use cases, PDF is great for sharing a clean, presentation-ready snapshot that preserves charts and tables exactly as you see them. If you plan to work with the data in a spreadsheet or a database, CSV is a solid choice because it's easy to import into tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or business intelligence platforms. Once you've decided, click the format you want. Your browser will begin the download and save the file, typically to your default Downloads folder. That's it. You've successfully exported your Google Analytics data from the Traffic Acquisition report. You can now attach the file to an email, archive it for your records, or open it in your preferred tool for further analysis.